Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at drawing vectors. So this is an example of a question you might get where you have to draw a vector. So here we've got a line with a little arrow on and the letter A, and this is typically how vectors will be represented. Now a vector just means that something has both magnitude and direction, which basically means it's going to be a certain length and it's important which direction it's going in. So in this case we have a line which is going 2 across and 1 up. So if we want to label the vector 3a, we just want to times both of these quantities by 3. So we're going to go, say we start at this point here, we're going to go 6 across and 3 up. And once you've drawn your 2 points, you can join a line that connects them, and then we also need a little arrow to show which direction we're going, and that would be your vector 3a. Now if we have a look at the next question, we've got a very similar thing going on. So this time we've got 2 different vectors, we've got D and we've got C, and the first question says draw and label the vector 2c. So we can see that it goes 2 across, 1 up. So we're going to pick our starting point, it can be anywhere on the grid, and we're going to go 2 times 2, 4 across, 1 times 2, 2 up. We join those with a nice straight line, that's a bit dodgy. And then all we have to do then is add our arrow and our label 2c. Now our next one now says work out 2c plus d, and it's got this little columny thing here, and this is moving more on to column vectors. So we're going to answer this question. If you're a bit unsure, I've got a video on column vectors specifically as well, so go have a look at that. But if we have a look at D has gone 3 up, none across. So the way I remember the order they go in a column vector is think about a coordinate where we have x and y, and then think about someone just giving this a little shove and pushing it up. So we've got x on the top, y on the bottom. So for D, we're going to go 0 places in the x direction and 3 up. Did I say 4 before? I meant 3, sorry, 1, 2, 3. And then for C, we have 2 and 1. So we've got 2 places in our x direction and 1 up. But we've got 2c, so we also need to multiply our c by 2. So what we can do there is say, well, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2, and then we have 2c plus d, which is 0 over 3. So together we've got 4 plus 0 is 4, 2 plus 3 is 5, and we've got it in our nice little column vector. I hope that helps. If you've got any questions, please pop them in the comments. Thank you.